Welcome to my palace. Actually at my own house. I'm not in my dorm, and therefore I'm going to make a lot of crazy videos. Yay! Today's video is going to be about from meh to yeah, from 0 to 10 maybe. I don't know if I could hit 10. I think to glow up you need to first eat, because it is really important for you. So basically, because of my parents are in Indonesia and I only live with my brother right now, I need to clean all this because my bro cooks and then I have to clean all of this, so hooray! Basically done washing all of the dishes, but I got some water spilled to my pants, so that's just like. And if you don't have a love life, just search for anything and then just be happy about someone else's love life, because that's how to glow up. Woke up from my nap, it feels so good. So it's actually the next day after I filmed yesterday. The reason was because I couldn't find any towel because I lived in my dorm and then now I live in my actual house. I just went here yesterday. First step is actually to take a shower, a good nice shower, and wash your hair. So yeah, wish me luck. Out. Hello, so I already changed my outfit. This is my outfit. It's just a simple white hoodie with black leggings, and I'm not going to go with, you know, just a crop top or something like that because it's definitely freezing here. Moist our lips because that's really important. It's so ugly. The background is just so ugly. That's even uglier, like, to be honest. Ouch. I'm actually using a shampoo that my brother used because I don't have my own. I don't have the space to take a lot of things from my dorm to my actual house. So yeah, that's what happened. So I don't know. My hair feels kind of weird and ridiculously long, and I want to cut it, but then I want to actually like grow them out and then I'll be cutting it for donation or something. I have cystic acne just because I don't clean my makeup properly because I had to do a makeup tutorial that day, and then my makeup remover just like ran out, so that's why I'm not cleaning my face properly, and then that caused me acne. I already washed my face. I might not actually show you guys my skincare because because I want to make a video about it, why I do love all of the products and what help and what not. Skin has been really good for the last 1 month. I was blessed not having acne at all for the last 1 month until like 5 days ago or something. I have cystic acne, so oh, my skin is really dirty. I've been not using the serum for a long time just because I accidentally left it in my house. Kind of love this serum so much. Oh my god, I forgot to do my mask. I was just about doing my mask. Oh no. I've already put my toner and my serum, and if I put my mask on, maybe this is going to ruin my skin even more. I'm just taking another serum. Mask that I use is the Lush of Magnum-Minty, and it's just like, it's green. I'm going to do my makeup now. I have a pouch of makeup. It's literally all makeup that I have here. It's kind of dirty-ish, but I actually washed it about 3 days ago, so it's not as dirty as you think. I'm not going to put my foundation to my cystic acne because it's just going to hurt so much. It's so bad. Does this room actually have a light? Okay, I'm appearing a lot like yellow, but it's okay. Brows are thick and fluffy. Literally, it looks so bad though. But you can try out your own eyebrows, so I'm just going to do that. First of all, you take a thread, and then I'm just going to make a knot. Oopsie, like this, like this, like this. This, and then maybe the pinkish one, and then this one. Cup is almost done. That is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so excited because it's like expensive. Well, I got it for 40% off, that's why. If not, I'm too broke to buy this. Is that blinding or not? The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to pour some baby oil. Baby oily. That's how Dutch people say it. We're going to dip our nails to baby oil because it's healthy. I already dipped my fingers to the baby oil and already washed my hand. Now I'm just going to put some fake nails. This is from Primark and it was €1, which I'm really happy about.
I've never been punched. I gotta get out of this. It's too late. Once someone publicly challenges you to a fight, there's no turning back.
Okay, it looks like this. This is my fake nails that I got for literally $1.50. Like, I'm getting Antonio Garza vibes, so yeah. Thank you guys all for watching. I'm sorry if you think this is not a glow up because I literally have acne on my face, and then I actually have a lot of glue here now. So you guys enjoy this video, and bye guys. Subscribe because I'm so desperate.